Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Model Car Guy Rich here. Today I'm going to do a build on the 1969 Ford Galaxie hardtop from AMT Ertl, skill level 2. 2005 release by RC2 Brands, Dyersville, Iowa. So, if you go back and see the unboxing I did on this one, you can see all the goodies that are inside. And what I'm going to do now is assemble it and let you know if I run into any issues with it. Alrighty, we'll see you in a few. Well folks, there it is. 1969 Ford Galaxie. The hardtop, all completed. In a previous part of the video here I mentioned that the steering wheels were missing. And what it was is I actually had to go back and watch the original unboxing video that I did of this one. And steering wheels, they included 2 of them. And they were in a bag. And I mistakenly threw them out. They were stuffed inside another bag. And when I emptied out my garbage bucket from this room, I found them. But I had already went in my parts bin and found a little steering wheel and used a piece of toothpick or one of these things here. These cotton swab thingies. I used this piece to make the steering column, painted it up and put it in there, so I decided just to leave it. I didn't want to tear it all apart because it looks really nice. So now I have 2 spare steering wheels, no big deal. But there it is. This one was a pleasure to build. Only real issue I've run into, and the glue is still drying right now, but this piece of the grill and the bumper were the correct size, but if you remember, the body had little bars that went across from side to side before painting and all that. Well, what happens is the fenders, they spread out side to side too much, so you really got to kind of wrap this end up when you glue it in to help make it line up properly. And it's still drying right now because it popped off again on me, so I'm just going to let it go. And when it's done, I'll put it up on the shelf. I finally got my shelves put together. Got some models up there. Finally, got me some room here. I'm going to start changing around the desk and everything and get that all better organized. But for now, that's the, whatever I said, 69 Ford Galaxie 500 hardtop, I believe is what it was. And that's a wrap on that one. Let's see if we can get a quick view of the bottom without tearing up the decals that I literally just put on there. Not a whole lot of detail on the bottom on this one. A little bit of fancy work on the engine and mufflers and all that kind of stuff. But it's a nice one, and it rolls. So, alrighty. I thank you for stopping by. Have yourselves a great day. And as always, keep on modeling.